In this video, you will learn what Quality Matters is and how it is used at the University of Findlay. Quality Matters is a research-centered approach to quality assurance and continuous improvement for online learning. The goal of Quality Matters is enabling of faculty to increase student engagement, learning, and satisfaction in online courses by implementing better course design. The main focus here is course design, not course delivery or content. Consider your role in the planning of the course, as well as the creation, assembly, and layout of course instructions and components. For example, if you are using a discussion board, it is important to consider the design. This refers to items such as how are students prompted, how many times are students asked to respond, or what are the expectations for etiquette. The primary components of Quality Matters are the rubric, which are a set of standards for the design, not delivery of online courses, and the peer review process, which is the application of standards and professional development. The Quality Matters rubric is comprised of these general standards. However, there are course-critical components that are highlighted here, which are general standards 2 through 6. These standards reinforce one another to ensure your students will achieve the desired learning outcomes. The Quality Matters rubric consists of 43 standards and are assigned different points depending on their relative importance. Of the standards, 21 are considered essential and have the highest point value of 3. 14 are considered very important and have a value of 2. The remaining 8 are considered important and are assigned a value of 1. 99 points in total can be earned for a course during a review. However, when reviewing a course, no partial credit is given. It is all or nothing. To receive full credit, the reviewer must feel that 85% of the standard has been satisfied. At the University of Findlay, instructors wishing to have their courses reviewed must complete these objectives. First, they must complete Applying the Quality Matters rubric, or APP QMR workshop. This is the only Quality Matters workshop that is offered face-to-face and will be offered at least once per semester at the University of Findlay. Next, you will evaluate your own online course. When you review your course, you don't necessarily need to meet all of the standards. This assessment allows you to get a feel for where your course compares to the Quality Matters standards. Since there are so many standards, it is recommended that you use the workbook from the APP QMR workshop to assist you with this process. After you evaluate your course, you can participate in an internal peer review. This simulates the external review process and will be performed by the internal peer review team. You will meet with the team to discuss findings from the internal review compared to the self-assessment of your course. Based on the review's findings, you can go back and modify your course to improve the course design for your students, as well as prepare for an external review. Once you've made the improvements for your course, you can submit it for an official external peer review. If all goes well with the external review, your course will earn the Quality Matters course certification.